Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Tiger Knight, and today we are back at it with some more Fallout 4 MINUTEMEN Road. In the last episode, we brought the settlers to Sanctuary, and and uh, then Preston gave us a quest to give help to a settlement down east. So I went ahead and did that. I'm moving east, and then I came across this, and this would be it. I did some off-camera work, and I decided to start the video here because it's the first thing that you encounter when going east. Let's see what we have here. I already found a mini nuke, so this fat man is nice. And fusion core and military grade circuit board. And here's where the fun begins. So that robot over there is practically useless, but it's good for It's good for materials. Let's just see what I can find. Okay.
Nice.
Issue of hot rodder, a stim pack. You might want to stay in here, dog meat. Gotta play the holotape. Oh, crap. Okay. Activate sentry bot. Okay, now it's activated. All we have to do is blow it up. That should be easy with the... No, not with the fat man. With the, this holotape. Initiate self-destruct.
Objective: control immediate area and neutralize any hostiles that pose a possible threat to the U.S. military and/or its citizens.
It's not blowing up. What happened?
All citizens are to remain calm. Unexpected behavior may cause unnecessary defensive action to be taken, resulting in injury.
I think we should try it again. Didn't work, so I think we should try it again. Sentry prototype Mark IV holotape. Initiate self-destruct. Knew it. I knew it. When it killed it even killed all the mole rats. Nice. That's a victory. Got all that stuff. Now let's go. Now I'm gonna pull out the 44 because it's gonna be the most useful thing I have in my arsenal right now. Ooh, a suit of power armor. I'll try and salvage most of this. Shoot, no, that's not what I wanted to do. There. Salvaged all that armor. Might scrap it later. I don't see any purpose that unused armor would serve to me. Oh no. Of course, snub noses have the worst accuracy. I have better accuracy than this gun. And VATS. Jeez. I want to steer clear of that radio that tower. Bet nothing good will come from it. Why does it feel like they're firing at me? I'm not the only one that can hear this, right? Good grief, at least. Okay, I'm gonna try and lock this. Didn't even have to move the
Nice.
pin. I can't believe I just. Oh, I should level up while I'm at it. Let's see. What should I choose? Said I would try gunnet. That's worth a shot. Not sure about advanced terminals, but okay. Endurance is a good perk to have, so I'll take it. Anything in, oh. Mutfruit. That's exactly what I need, actually. Is there anything else? I still have this 44. It still has ammo, like 2 shots left. Maybe I can purchase some if I come across a vendor. Wonder if there was any random encounters over here. I think I'm almost there, and we're only halfway through the video. Can get through these trees, no sweat. I'll look this way for now. There are enemies in here, so I need to run through quickly. Hey, a house over here. Sometimes. Bluff? Good job, Dogmeat. Didn't want to get killed by a radroach. And I'm all out of ammo, so I'll just stick with the 10mm. Hey, look, potato farm.
If you work, you eat. It's as simple as that.
Okay. You're the guy I need to talk to, right?
Hey there.
What do you want? We don't need any more trouble around here.
Take it easy. I'm with the Minutemen. I'm here to help.
You're with the Minutemen? We sent word with one of them passing traders, but honestly, I never expected anything to come of it. Most people don't put much stock in the Minutemen these days.
We're
Oof.
rebuilding the Minutemen from the ground up. We're the good guys again.
Glad to hear it. No question that things have been worked. There's a raider gang that's been giving us trouble for weeks. We know where they're coming from, but we can't.
Don't worry. I'll take care of those raiders for you.
Thanks, friend. If you folks are...
Uh-huh.
Thanks. Hope I can take some potatoes. I need this to make starch, which is an adhesive. Oh, good grief! Don't tell me it's all the way down there. Corvega assembly plant. Crap. At least I leveled up a bit. Maybe I actually might have a chance against them. All I gotta do is pick up a few things. I'll go back to Sanctuary and start working on stuff that I might need. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna keep... Okay. Now we're back. Let's check out our inventory. Any junk? Aluminum biometric scanner. There. It's good. Put these parts away. I wonder if you can scrap those parts. Like, what kind of stuff would you get from that? Not really sure. Anyway, I'm gonna put this stuff away. I wonder how many of these I can upgrade now. I'm going to start with these two. Gonna take the sharpshooter's grip. No glow sights. I'm out of that. I'm out of adhesive. What about stuff for the pool cue? Of course, they both require adhesive. Everything in this workbench requires adhesive. And that's really annoying because it's so hard to find nowadays. See what I can replace and put the snub-nosed away. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's the end of today's episode. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to click that little notification button if you like my content. Also, comment what Fallout 4 route I should take next after I complete the Minutemen. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.